This is activity 4.1 on page 61, creating a work breakdown structure. The file that we'll be working with in this activity is titled HR Manual WBS. Your project plan is coming together nicely. You have added all of the tasks and durations to it, and now it is time to organize all of your tasks into a work breakdown structure. I'm going to start by opening my file by going to Open and hitting my Browse button. You can navigate to your home drive and open up your Project Part 1 folder. And we are in Lesson 4, which is titled Managing Tasks. So we can open that subfolder. And then the file we want is HR Manual WBS. Select that and click Open. And before we make any changes to the original file, we're going to make a copy by going to File, Save As. We can save this to our current folder, Managing Tasks, and we're just going to update the name to My HR Manual WBS and click Save. So number 2, display the project summary task. We're going to scroll to the top of our task entry table so that task number 1, Begin Project, is visible. And I'm just going to bring this over a little bit. So here we have Begin Project. And in the Tell Me text box, which is located here, we're going to type Summary Task. And in our results, we're going to select Show Project Summary Task. So a new task, which is Task 0, My HR Manual WBS, has been inserted. The default name of the project summary task is the project file name. We're going to double click the right edge of the task name column. And this is going to automatically resize it to fit all the task names. And number 3, we're going to create a research phase summary task. We're going to select the task ID for Review Existing HR Manual, which is task number 2. We're going to hold down our Shift key, and we're going to select the task ID for Interview Department Heads, which is task number 5. So we're going to hold down Shift, click task 5, and it's going to, you should have selected task 2 through 5 now. And we're going to go up to the task tab of our ribbon. And we want to find our summary command, which is located in the Insert command group. So here we have Insert Summary Task. So you can see now task 2, we have a new summary task which we can rename. And our 4 tasks that were selected before are now indented under that summary task. With this selected, we're going to type Research Phase and press Enter to give the new summary task our name. In the task entry table, the research phase has 4 subtasks indented below it, and in our Gantt chart, a summary task icon appears above the bars. So if we were to select this and select Scroll to Task, you can see that now has the summary task indicator there. And we can zoom in if you need to see that better. Number 4, add the remaining summary tasks. Use the previous steps and the following figure as a guide. So let's see, review existing HR manual through interview department heads. That was our research phase summary task. Now we're going to select Create Outline. Hold down our Shift key and select Revise Outline. We're going to hit our Summary command, and we're going to name this Outline Phase. And press Enter. Next, we're going to select Write Content. Hold down our Shift key and select Add Graphics. Select our Summary command, and we're going to name this Development Phase. And press Enter. Scroll down. We have check grammar, spelling, and proofread. Hold down Shift and select check for legal accuracy. Click on your Summary command button, and we're going to name this Edit Phase. Next, review with legal department. Hold down Shift and select Consolidate Reviews. Select our Summary command and name this Review Phase. And press Enter. And you can see our summary indicators in our Gantt chart are all appearing as I'm adding these. I'm going to scroll down, and we have Write Printing Specifications. Hold down Shift to select Print Final. Select your Summary command on your ribbon, and we will name this Print Phase. And press Enter. And then lastly, we have Distribute to Employees. Hold Shift and select Post to Extranet. Select your Summary command, and this is the Publication Phase. Make sure on that last one that you're not selecting Task 35 Project Complete. That's a task on its own. All right, so you have all of your summary tasks inserted now. Number 5, show outline numbers on the WBS. We're going to select the Format Contextual tab. And in our Show Hide command group, we're going to select Outline Number. And we're going to resize our task name column again just by double clicking in between that and the duration column, just so everything fits. Okay, so you can see we have all of our summary tasks, our subtasks, our outline numbers as well. Number 6, add a note to the Review Government Regulations task. We're going to double click 2.3 Review Government Regulations, and that opens up our task information dialog box. We want to navigate over to our Notes tab, and in our Notes field, we're going to enter have legal department, check with outside counsel. And we can select OK to close out of our dialog box. And now you can see we get our little sticky note in our indicators column, and if we hover over that, you can see the note that we have left there. All right, we're going to go up to our quick access toolbar and save our updates, and we can leave this file open for our next activity.